Now, our government says it is set to complete 11 health facilities across the country before the end of 2020. Health Minister discloses at the sword-cutting ceremony of a 400-bed maternity and gynecology facility at the Gov't Teaching Hospital earlier today. Manuel Claranting is there for us. He joins us via Zoom with more. So, Manuel, what has the Health Minister been saying about this particular facility, how they're going to transform it?
Well, the Health Minister has been talking about, it formerly was a 161-bed facility, which was in a dilapidated state. And so in the 2018 budget, government presented that it was going to reconstruct it. I'm sure you'd recall that in March earlier this year, the General Hospital was closed down to ensure that to ensure that it is reconstructed. That's what we're seeing. But earlier at the Gov't Teaching Hospital, the Health Minister said that about 11 facilities are going to be built across the country. He mentioned a number of areas, mentioned Sumanya, mentioned Gute, mentioned Tepa, mentioned a number of other areas, and expecting that all of them will be commissioned before the end of the year. He makes a point and emphasizes on saying that all these 11 projects which are expected to be commissioned are not part of the government's Agenda 88 project. So it means that all these 11 projects will be commissioned ahead of the elections before the Agenda 88 also kicks off. You mentioned that all of them are at various levels of completion, and so people should expect that they are commissioned to ensure that the gaps within the health sector are bridged.
Manuel Claranting with that update from the Gov't Teaching Hospital, where the president just cut sword for the construction of a 400-bed facility there. We'll be bringing you more on the polls in our subsequent programs, Newsnight as well as Joy News Prime.